Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Cooking. With Pabs and life storytelling ideas today, I'm sharing fish and vegetable soup meta 1. A simple flavorful dish made with just a few ingredients: ginger, tomatoes, onions, salt, and chicken cubes. This comforting soup is perfect for any day, and the best part? It's super easy to make. We start by boiling all the ingredients together, allowing the tomatoes to fully dissolve into the broth, releasing their rich flavor. The ginger adds a fresh kick, while the chicken cubes bring a savory depth that complements the fish perfectly. Ingredients: fresh fish, your choice, ginger, tomatoes, onions, salt, chicken cubes, Gabbage, green chili. Instructions: 1. Add chopped tomatoes, sliced onions, and ginger to boiling water. 2. Season with salt and chicken cubes. 3. Let it cook until the tomatoes dissolve completely into the broth. 4. Add the fish and cook until tender and fully infused with flavor. Enjoy this delicious hearty soup with rice, bread, or on its own. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy recipes. Please enjoy for watching. Thanks for watching.